Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you watching? What vlog is?
It's Sunday Mass.
Oh. So we're gonna have some breakfast. Where's your breakfast?
Come on.
Oh, okay. It's another rainy day in Vancouver. Nag-text na si Ate Beth. Anong oras daw tayo mag-meet?
Punta siya dito?
Ewan ko, anong gusto mo?
Pwede naman kung gusto mo. Hello, magtatapon tayo ng basura.
Yan ang basura. Actually, hindi naman ito lahat basura. Yung iba mga glass. Oh. I'm in PJs. Tapos naka-shorts.
Parang hindi malamig.
Ang basura namin ay nasa P1.
True. Lahat na yan. Ipapakita namin sa inyo. Maganda din kasi nakasegregate na lahat.
Sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta dito sa bahay namin.
Parang nani-invite. Punta na kayo.
Bakit hindi?
Medyo marami lang doors pero very good.
But it's okay for safety. For para hindi nakakapasok yung mga hindi talaga tiga dito. May tao ata. Wait lang. So may tao kanina. So hindi kami nagba-vlog. Tapos,
Ito yung garbage room namin. So ito yung guys, nakasegregate na lahat. May for glass, bottles, for containers, for organic. And then yung lahat yun, itong malaking thing na yan, for garbage yan. Tsaka ito for papers. Yan. Tapos kung may mga malalaki kayong carton boxes, ipa-flat nyo yan, dyan nyo ilalagay.
flattened cardboard only. So, yun na yun. Oh, they also give free compost plastic bags. So, they provide that already. Okay. Babalik na kami uli sa taas. We're supposed to go out. But Kat is taking such a long time. We're gonna go buy sandpaper for this because I'm gonna sand it. We got this off of Facebook Market for $15. So we're gonna fix it. You're taking so long.
Mama, dali nga.
Oh, Dad, help. Look, my plant is dying. Anyways, I think Kat is done, so we're gonna leave soon. Look at all that laundry.
True, ipo-fold ko pa yan.
Okay, so we're finally leaving. This is all of our bottles that we're gonna sell. It's from summer pano.
Yeah. Isang taon, mag-iisang taon na.
So, magbebenta muna kami. Tapos, punta kami ng market crossing ng Canadian Tire, Dollarama, Winners na rin.
Home Sense. Kasi andun lahat.
Home Sense. Okay. Time for another time lapse. Okay, I'm gonna drive. Bye. Ito na yung lahat. Tapos, bibigay namin sa kanya doon. Diba?
Okay. Bibenta natin to.
Okay. Benta natin ng $7 and how much?
7 and 50.
7.50. 7.50, yeah, 7.50. So our next stop is sa Market Crossing.
Market Crossing. Totoo. So, sama ulit kayo, guys.
Ilang beses kami nalito kanina papunta dito. Kita niyo ba? Nakakahiya.
Nawala kami. Yung 3 minutes na drive naging almost 10.
Okay. I'm gonna drive again. Bye. For only $19.
That one?
Yeah, this one is nice. Or this one.
This one?
These are $5. So we're gonna get that. Here are the sandpapers. I don't really know what I need, but it's just for wood. So I'm gonna try to figure this out. I'm gonna go with the cheapest one probably.
Pads, sanding pads.
Oh look, especially softwood. Should probably buy this one instead. See, look, it says ideal for sanding wood, especially softwood. I'm feeling that the patio set is probably softwood.
Okay, then you can just get this one.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna go with this one. Okay, we're gonna. No, that one has a scratch. Okay. Oh, okay. But look, this is. I like this color.
Ano wala din naman ang kulay niyan? This one is 100 medium. Ito 64s.
Yeah, I don't know what that means, but sure. Okay, we're gonna get this one too. This one smells so good. It smells like.
Downy.
No, to me it smells like Safeguard. So if you want that smell in your house, I think sa bahay namin sa Calgary, this would be nice. Okay, we're gonna go pay. There's this guy here asking about MasterCards and I don't want to talk to him, so I'm gonna go buy. Hindi ko nagamit yung $5 kasi $10 yung receipt namin. But this is Market Crossing. I went here last year with Ate. Look, there's the Pulcarito. And then maraming stores. Canadian Tire, Marks. There's Save On Foods over there and London Drugs. And I'm gonna put this in our basket. We always have a basket now because there are no more plastic bags in BC. So you have to carry it around with you all the time. Okay, our next stop is Dollarama, which is across the street. I don't know if it's still a part of Market Crossing. I don't know. Maybe. So I'm gonna go there. Kind of cold here right now. We're now at the dollar store. See, that's where across the street is where we were. Marks again, and then Canadian Tire is covered by these buildings, but yeah, okay, we're gonna go inside. Bye. So everything here is $1 or $1.25 or $2 or $4. That's budol. And they pretty much have everything here. Even like food they have, but we're not sure if it's real. They have home stuff, home cleaning supplies, some useful things that you would otherwise pay like 15 or more dollars for. Oh, look at this. I've been looking for this for so long. Should buy one. Yeah, I'm gonna get one. This is so cute. I put like your whatever storage in there, but it looks like wood, but it's plastic, obviously. Or like there's a marble one. That's so cute. I like it. I have things to show you. Did you find it?
Wala sila.
Really? They have mugs and like these are cute. See? So cute. So cute. Oh shoot, I wasn't recording that entire time. Anyways, we're at HomeSense. And these are so nice. Look at this. This is so nice. It's just so bulky that it's like not practical. Anyways, they have so many things here. So many things for the plants. Look, this would be so nice. But plants don't stay this little forever. So again, not practical. Look at this for Charlie. It's so big. This would be so nice. I don't know, but Charlie is a fat one. Or even this one. Canada push. Cute.
Maganda ka kasi mas makapal.
Hello, do you like one?
True.
Hello, do you like one? Thank you.
Okay. Oh, I like this also. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, I might buy it. Okay.
Tingnan mo. Meron din po.
Look at this. Look at these fishbone chairs. Really nice. Kind of expensive, but also it's okay. Right? It's okay. But I really like this one. Well, we're not gonna buy it. Be in the same vibe as those wishbone chairs. Cute. Oh, look at that. I love it. I like this. I like this one. $70. They have a white one too. Filipina.
Ganahan ka, ani. This is cute.
Okay, so ang nabili lang namin doon sa Winners / HomeSense is itong Himalayan pink salt. And we used yung money from
Yung binibentang can. Yung binenta namin can.
yeah, that's real. Another one into the basket.
So, ayun na yung nabili namin. I think, bibili kami ng snacks kasi nagugutom ako. Kanina pa yung kain namin, yung kanina umaga na nakita nyo na breakfast. And it is now 3 o'clock. So, it's been a while, I guess. Naubos na yung energy ko, wala na talaga. Yeah. So, we're gonna go for snacks where? Drive. So, siguro kung ano meron. Siguro kung merong Tim's. Oh, there's McDonald's and Tim Hortons across the road. So, baka doon kami pupunta. Yeah, the Himalayan pink salt, that was only $5. True. And yun yung lagi namin ginagamit, kaya yun yung binili namin. And we bought it here because it's usually cheaper sa HomeSense / Winners. For some reason, it's really expensive sa superstore. Masyado maulan. Okay. So, I'm gonna drive. Bye.
Okay, we are at the car wash now. Because we're gonna wash the mats of the car. That's it, really. So we're gonna throw out a bunch of stuff too, but we already got rid of a lot of things yesterday. So yeah, we're gonna just do that. It's I think $2 for 3 minutes of a wash. Yeah, I need to open this. Okay. But we have tokens that you can buy here, and I think it's $2 each time, and it's kind of expensive, to be honest. Okay, I'm gonna help her. Okay, that's okay. So, ayan na siya. Mag-wash na siya ng mats natin. Yeah. So, dito na lang namin ginagawa to. Yeah, I did. Hinugasan na lang namin yung mga mats. Tapos, lilinisan namin yung car kahapon. Kasi ang mahal magpa-car detailing dito. So, sariling sikap. Yan. Sali na din natin yung body ni Tonyo. Ay, grabe, lakas ng hangin. We're done here. We're gonna go pick up chicken because we have dinner with Ate Ben. So, see you. That's the fog. Do you guys see?
Yan.
Hindi na makita yung top half of the buildings, the high-rise buildings. Those are residential, so those are all apartments or condos? Apartment condos. Condo apartments.
Building apartment.
Building apartments. High-rise building apartments. High-rise condo buildings.
So ano ba talaga? Oo, ang lamig-lamig ngayon dito. Kaya nagfa-fog sobra.
We're on Kingsway right now. This is the road that we're driving on, Kingsway, and right beside us is Metro Town, and then there are a lot of shops on our right side also, like lots of bubble tea places and ice cream,
Yeah.
desserts, yeah.
Okay, so tara.
Okay, back to time lapse. Bye. So, nandito kami sa may Joyce Station ngayon.
Pinick up na lang namin si Ate Beth kasi nasa malapit lang din naman kami. Yung pinick upan namin ng chicken malapit lang dito. So, naisip namin na pick upin na lang din namin siya.
Pero hindi na namin vlog si Ate Beth kasi hindi niya alam na nagpa-vlog kami at saka
Mahiyain yun. So,
hanggang dito na lang muna tayo until umuwi si Ate Beth.
Oo. Update na lang namin kayo mamaya.
Nandito kami, tignan mo. Maganda na yung weather dito sa likod-likod. Pero doon sa may pinanggalingan natin doon,
Medyo foggy pa.
Foggy pa rin sila doon. Kaya, sige na kasi Palabas na rin ata si Ate Ben. Thanks, Tito Alan. Very useful ito. Okay. So we're home now.
And natapos na yung dinner namin sa bisita namin kanina, si Ate Ben. Hindi na namin video kasi kumain lang naman kami tsaka nag-chika.
Yeah, now it's already 8:38 and now we're home and we're just gonna watch RuPaul's Drag Race.
So that's it for today.
That's it for today. Thanks again for watching.
Yes.
And also, thanks for all the pointers from everyone.
True.
Like from my mom, from Carl, from
From Carl, from Nico, from everyone.
yes, and we appreciate the comments from Inags and the Carino
Carino
family. We really appreciate that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much. Dapat
Oh, wait, I don't wanna. Here, our Pothos says thank you. Okay, bye. I'm gonna edit.